In this video, you will create a logo to add to your promotional flyer. A logo is a design or symbol that a group uses to identify themselves. A group can add a logo to materials used to market or advertise their project, such as posters, flyers, or other promotional items. A logo can help make your group more recognizable, which can lead to more supporters and volunteers for your project. To begin, create a new drawing and rename it. To start your logo, choose a shape for the outline. The shape should have enough space inside it to add text. You should also choose a shape that looks both professional and appealing. Next, adjust the size of your shape. Make it larger so you can add text to it more easily. Change the fill color. You might choose a color that fits with the colors of your flyer. Next, change the background color. The background would be a part of your logo, so you should choose a color that fits with the color of your logo. Then, add text to your logo. Your text should be simple and state the name of your group. If your group does not have an official name, think of a name that includes the purpose of your project. Make the text larger, align the text so it fits within your shape, and change the font and color to make your logo unique. Look at your logo and make any final adjustments to complete it. Next, download your logo as a JPEG file. This will make it easier to add to your flyer and other project materials. In a new tab, open your promotional flyer. Then add your logo to your flyer. Adjust the size of your logo to fit in your flyer. You want to make it smaller because it will not be the focus of your flyer. Though it may appear too small on your screen, it will be more visible if you choose to print it. Then, place your logo in your flyer. You can place it in a corner or at the top or bottom or anywhere else where it fits your layout and details. Now it's your turn. Choose and format a shape for your logo. Add color to your shape and background, add and format text in your logo, download your logo as a JPEG file, and add it to your promotional flyer.